Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So in today's trading session, as per the plan, I attacked NVDA and sent out the trade to you. So let's kind of get into it here. People are always texting me. Okay, so first things first, here's my account, margin account, real account. Have to go over this. I don't know why. Stock is in real time. MX, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, real time feeds. Equity options, real time feed. Futures, I don't trade futures on this account. I don't pay for the subscription, but I have it for free on the other areas of the platform. So I don't need to pay for subscription. Forex real time, other real time. So with NVIDIA, look at NVIDIA right here. It's going to crash again for the low. What a beautiful trade NVIDIA was today. So let's come over here. I'm already out of this trade. I should have stayed in it. This is the 420 put that I sent out to you guys. So 12.3 for double P. Should have stayed in this trade, but NVIDIA was just, it was like an accordion. It was all over the map. So what's the first thing we do? We always draw the box. What's the box? The box is volume, which there was very little volume today in NVIDIA. It was just flat. You can see it right here. Volume average is just below the volume average, just very flat. Support and resistance, price action, and volatility. That's what makes up the box. So what do you do when the stock opens up just above the box? We are going to take a long position because it dictates that we take a long position. Stock opens up under the box, just under the box. We take a short position because that's what it dictates. If it opens up inside of the box, I don't trade it. This is called the no trade zone. I avoid it like the plague. Unless I see a definitive move, then I'll try to jump in. I'll try to take a trade. But for the most part, I kind of leave it alone. So what happened here? 9:45, you guys got the trade. So right here, just inside of the box, you guys are getting the trade. So right there, and we catch that move for NVIDIA, and then it rips. Right, you see that retracement right there, it rips right inside of the box again. So I had to hold on to this trade because I was profitable, and then I just, for whatever reason, I was like, okay, this thing's gotta go down. It's gotta go down. And then I got caught right here for that rip. But this is the move that I was waiting for. Because right here, where does NVIDIA open up inside of the box right here? So always draw out the price level. That's the price level right there. So I had to see this retracement. I had to sit there. And for a little bit, I was negative. Super positive right here. It took about 300 contracts. Super positive, and then I just kind of got up and I was just like, okay, NVIDIA's going to drop to like 425, 424, which is what it is supposed to do because that was the expected move for today. And then right here, right there in that candle, you see that bullish hammer right there, and then the volatility band just flattened right out. So if the volatility band opens up like that, or it continues down and it opens like this, then this thing is going like this. But the volatility band flattened out, curved, and flattened. That's why you get that inverted hammer there. Then you get that move right back up to the edge of the box. You get consolidation right here. Then you get a little leg up. Then you get this big candle right here that just did me in. And then you get consolidation right here. So I got to sit there and I got to be like, ugh, I got to sit in the trade, right? I was just like, ugh. So now I'm down. That's probably down about 7 or 8 grand, more than likely. And I just sat here. It was like watching paint dry. So all I did is just set up my alerts. So I set up alerts for every 75 cents. I set up alerts for every $1.25 because NVIDIA was trading in this range right here. So let's kind of go over here. There's the range, and there's the top end of the range. And then you want to see another range, price action. There's the ranges. So I have to sit in here, and I just have to watch it bounce up and down, up and down. And then this is what I was waiting for. I set an alert for 431.50. Once it broke, then I can see right here that it was just a beautiful trade, because here's the 200. The 200 was green right here. As you can see, it was green. Then it turned red on that candle, and then just that slope. That's what algorithms trade on, channels and slopes. The 200 is the dominant moving average, and it just suppresses the position and pushes it down. And then I got out right here, which was a fantastic, because I should have got out right here, and I got reversed out. And I knew it was going to happen. I didn't really know, but I was just like, this thing's got to go. And I actually had to leave anyway, so I set up my alerts, and I'm thinking, okay, this is going to be good. And then I got caught when I come back because I had some stuff I had to do. And I'm just like, okay, I got to sit in this trade now. But, there it is. $10 move, -2. At one point, it was like -5, -6. And then right there on that move, that's where I get out. That was the low. And then now you see NVIDIA just challenged again for a new low right here. And it just bounced off the low. So we got 426.05. What did I say it was? It was 424 or 425. That was the expected move for today. So we still got some room to maneuver on NVIDIA. And then you see the option right here. 420 put. You see the price of it now. Should have stayed in that trade, man. But you know what? We're green. That's what matters, right? Very hard to draw a channel today. If you're wondering, I got different study sets that I look at today because there was a lack of volatility and there was a lack of momentum as far as volume. I had to make sure I have the right study set up. So I got volume average. I've got money flow oscillator. So it tells me the velocity and the volatility of money. And it tells me whether it's bullish or bearish or it's flat. And then we got the average true range here. So this tells me exactly what's going on in this 2-minute candle, where the average true range is for NVIDIA, up and down, back and forth, sideways. And look at NVIDIA, just going to challenge for the low again today. I should have popped back in this trade, but you know what? I'm out, I'm good. 424, it's supposed to be 424.50 or whatever it is for the expected move. So I'm just gonna let it run, because you have to be a disciplined trader. You cannot sit there and be bouncing in and out and in. If you want to scalp, that's a completely different game. But all you're going to do is, when you're scalping, especially in a situation like this, when there's no volatility and there's lack of volume in what you're trading, because you can see it right here. This is the average volume. Look at where we are. It's like no volume, right? What a great move on NVIDIA. So that's it from Double P. Hope you enjoyed this end of the day trading recap. The algorithmic trading mastermind is a few weeks away. I still got one spot left. If you're watching this, climb on board. Like, you're going to see stuff. I got different study sets here for different types of markets that just work. And it's all algorithmic. The whole entire thing is algorithmic. I don't do anything based on emotion, right? Look at that move. All right. That's it from Double P. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.